At least 3 people died in a
Oh, my
massive pileup on a
goodness.
Pennsylvania interstate this afternoon. Yes, look at this.
Sorry, first time I've seen this video, too.
Officials blame a snow squall, Dan, for the 40-vehicle crash on Interstate 81. Dozens of others were taken to area hospitals. This does include the 3 people who died.
Wow, shocking video.
Yeah. Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna joins us now from our Storm Tracker Weather Center.
Hey, Kate, obviously no snow in our forecast, but we do have a chance for severe weather this week.
Yeah, and travel can certainly become tricky for us as well. We're talking very heavy rain moving through basically during at least part of your evening commute. If you're west of I-65, I bumped up the timeline with the arrival of these storms just a little bit, and the wind alone is going to make travel difficult if you're dealing with a crosswind or even a headwind or a tailwind. Look at what we're tracking here for you. High wind is the top of the list, not only because these thunderstorms themselves can produce winds gusting 70+ miles per hour. We can have gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour before the storms even arrive. There's also that risk for those spin-up tornadoes, embedded tornadoes within a line of storms, and then flooding. Some quick standing water possible, 1 to 2 inches of rain coming Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. Temperatures right now ranging anywhere from the mid-40s already in Scottsboro and Fort Payne to the lower 50s in Huntsville, 51 right now in Muscle Shoals, Athens, and Decatur, Fayetteville. We're at 48 degrees. The Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. It's a quiet picture right now. We're going to keep it like that for the most part through tonight. If you look at the wider view, you can see some light returns up here into Kentucky and a little more cloud cover farther north. We will have a decent amount of cloud cover through tomorrow. The clouds start to build in as a warm front lifts northward, and that's going to also bring us a very, very slight chance for a shower. Really not much to even mention here in regard to that rain chance for tomorrow, but look at how the temperatures go. By 1 o'clock, we're already close to the 70-degree mark with a mostly cloudy sky. I do expect us to make it into the upper 70s for highs, though. It stays breezy, winds out of the south at times, gusting up to 25 miles per hour. That is just the beginning of some very intense wind, especially as we get into Wednesday. Look at how our winds are starting to pick up speed here. So 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, gusting 20 to 25. Kind of covered that just a second ago. But as we go through tomorrow night, now all the way into Wednesday afternoon, 1 o'clock, south wind here. So it's a warm wind, gusting 40 to 45 miles per hour. And before the storms roll in, look at this, just ahead of the line, looking at gusts that are close to 50 miles per hour, 46 in Huntsville. Just a reminder that that's as the storms are moving through and then just ahead of the line. So now's the time to start planning for that. Maybe make sure that you can pull the trash can inside. If you've got some lawn furniture, you're just starting to get ready for spring, make sure that you've got that put away because this is the kind of wind that's going to send that trash can down the street and that umbrella as well. So the outlined risk for severe weather is highest farther toward the southwest, most of North Alabama in that level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. So that does include the I-65 corridor. That's a slight risk from the Storm Prediction Center, and you'll see that it's lower farther east. We expect the instability and the energy available for these thunderstorms to diminish as the night goes on as we get farther past sunset. I did adjust the arrival times for you though just a little bit earlier because some data sources are trending a little bit faster with this. So storms as early as 5 o'clock in the Shoals, 5 to 7. Along the I-65 corridor, 7 to 9, and then across northeast Alabama, storms arriving between 9 and 11. The data source that you're looking at here is trending on that earlier side of things. There's that stray shower chance early tomorrow morning. Blink and you'll miss it. Otherwise, it's mostly cloudy and it's breezy tomorrow. It is windy, mostly cloudy and warm on Wednesday. 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, no rain just yet. And here comes the storms. 4 o'clock, storms coming in from the west, just approaching I-65 between 7 and 8. Tracking eastward, moving through Sand Mountain between 10 and 11 o'clock. As fast moving as all of this is, we're pretty much done just around midnight. So you'll be waking up to a couple lingering showers Thursday morning, and that's about it. Look at the temperatures here. This is coming with a strong cold front. So we'll go from 80 degrees on Wednesday to highs in the mid 60s on Thursday. Now is the time, I have to reiterate, to prepare for this severe threat. Damaging wind, tornadoes, make sure you got a plan in place.